Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazur Ahmed and you are watching Rajab's Meditations. But I will tell you, I will practice here, okay, of my English sentences. So let's get started by reciting Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And first of all, I would like to ask you, how have you been? How are you doing? Let's get started. So I started from by I. अच्छा, आई नहीं होता है कभी भी, ठीक है। जब भी आप बोलते हो ना मैं, यानी कि आई से शुरू होता है वो काम, ठीक है। आई से शुरू होता है। अब शुरू करते हैं आई, ठीक है, ओके। अब हमारे पास होता है कि आई डोंट थिंक दे वॉच टीवी, आई डोंट थिंक दे डू नॉट वॉच टीवी, आई थिंक दे watch TV late at night. I don't think he is watching TV. Television. अच्छा, टीवी को आप टेलीविजन भी कह सकते हो और टीवी भी कह सकते हो। Honestly speaking, he is not watching television. Honestly speaking, they watch TV. Honestly speaking, they do not watch TV. He is watching TV. For me, he is not watching TV. For me, they do not watch television. And let me tell you what, he watched TV, television. Let me tell you what, he did not watch TV. Let me tell you what, he watches TV. Let me tell you what, he do not watch TV. Let me tell you what, he is watching TV. Let me tell you what, he is not watching TV. And he is a very big LED. Let me tell you what, I am a good man. Let me tell you what, I am not a good man. Let me tell you what, my name is Shazur Ahmed. I am from Karachi and I am a good man. And I have 3 children. And honestly speaking, I do not sleep late at night. Honestly speaking, I eat later at night. Honestly speaking, she watched television late at night. Honestly speaking, she did not watch television late at night. Honestly speaking, she did not watch movie late at night. Honestly speaking, did she watch movie late at night? You know what? He is watching television. You know what? He is not watching television. You know what? She is speaking for him. You know what? I speak for myself. You know what? I do not speak for myself. You know what? They watch TV. You know what? They do not watch television. You know what? I operated my mobile. You know what? I did not operated my mobile. अच्छा, एक चीज़, when I was learning English, I learned from my sir that there are 3 types of tenses, not sentences. I am talking about tenses, okay, in which we use present indefinite, present continuous, and past indefinite. So these 3 categories of tenses are mostly used in the spoken. And one more thing is remember in my mind that कि आपको जो कम से कम 50 या 100 vocabs आपको आनी चाहिए वर्ब के मामले में, और उनकी आपको क्या आनी चाहिए, सेकंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म को हम लोग पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल गो वेंट गोन, ड्राइव ड्रोव ड्राइवन, स्पीक स्पोक स्पोकन, ईट एट ईटन, लव LOVED लव्ड लव्ड, कट की दोनों ही फॉर्म होती हैं. लेकिन जब प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में आता है ना वो, तो हम लोग कट को वैसे इतना इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है. या फिर अगर इस्तेमाल हुआ होगा ना तो सेंटेंस में हमारे पास कोई ऐसे कोई चीज़ दी भी होगी तो उससे सीधे ज़ाहिर हो रहा होगा कि हमारे पास क्या है, कट, कोई प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट की बात हो रही है. वरना अगर ही शीट के साथ आएगा तो जैसे कि आपको पता है सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के साथ हमारे पास अगर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन है तो ऐसा आ जाएगा वर्ब के साथ, अगर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन नहीं है तो ऐसे यस नहीं आएगा. और इंटरोगेटिव में भी यही है, सही है. अच्छा, एंड वन मोर फ्रेज इज लेफ्ट विच इज़ I tell you what, he is watching TV or television. I tell you what, he is not watching television. I tell you what, he work very hard. I tell you what, he do not work very hard. I tell you what, I am a good student. I'm a good man. I tell you what, he is a nice man. I tell you what, he is not a nice man. I tell you what, He's a good student. I tell you what, he's not a good student. I tell you what, he's a housewife. I tell you what, he's not a housewife. I tell you what, he's very sensitive. I tell you what, he's not sensitive. I tell you what, she watches TV. I tell you what, she does not watches TV. In the end of my video, I would like to say, Allah Hafiz, thanks for your time and take care of yourself. Meet you in the next video. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe.